A great way to keep track of your documents is to insert a file name and path. Now, here I have a saved document, and down the bottom here in my footer, I want to insert the file name and path. So all I need to do is double click in that footer area, click underneath. Now I want to insert the file name and path, so it's activated the header footer toolbar, and if I go to document info and choose document path, it inserts the file name and path so that at any point in time just makes it much easier to find. So what I'm going to do here is highlight this so that I can use that again, and I'm going to go to Insert, Quick Parts, Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery, and in here I'm going to put in something like file name and path and click OK. Now at any point in time, if I want to insert that into a new document, if I go down to the bottom of the page or I click the footer, edit footer, and in here I go to quick parts and I choose file name and path, it'll automatically pop it in for me.